This program is brought to you by Chicken House, Porsche Store, Ting Ting's Native Food, Ubalaba Ilonggo Wear, and Jong Tapsilogan and Sizzlers.
So, magkampal ta animation, literally, people would say ang mga cartoons, lang tao, tanis ng bata ka. Right? No? Pero, come to think of it, animation is the process of letting or making things move. Okay? So, it's a process of making things move. Actually, as an individual, if you want to pursue animation, na track or career, dako yun ang potential. Because there are a lot of kinds of animation. Okay? When you say animation, it's not only animating cartoons. There's also what we call motion graphics. May man animation nga for corporate identities. May man animation nga for movies. May man nga for educational purposes. Damo gid kinds of animation. So, kung lang tawon ka, kada mo gid sang pwede, kung interested gid ang person, kada mo gid sang pwede niya masudlan nga industry sa animation alone. And kung sa aton niya sa dire, ang nami subong because of technology, it's actually easier to hone your craft. Okay? Hone is different from learning your craft. Mean to say, dapat niya ka not only interest, but also you should be ready to improve on your skills. So, amo ginaiya ang importante. Hindi man pwede nga kita mo man niya iban nga abi nila sa post lang wala I think damo technology nga pwede mo lang i-plug in, and then ang software na ang ma-animate for you. Pero ang iba niya, as in, they really do it from scratch nga kind of animation. Ang software hones and helps them in their craft, in their skills. Pero ang skills per se mismo should come from the person. So, kung sa mo na, damo gid pwede makasulod sa na industry. Basta interested sila, kag ready gid sila to learn and improve on their skills.
For me, animation is a very lucrative profession since as technology advances, the art form itself ga-adapt sa mga kung paano kung anong progress ang technology ga-adapt ang animation. I think there will be wala sang ginatawag na gutok sa animation kay as I've said, once advance ang technology, gadamo po ang opportunities para sa mga artists kag animators.
So, do you encourage those who are into animation na hindi sila to enter the industry?
Yes. Pina-encourage ko dito ang mga bata nga gina-foresee nila ilang paglingon as animators. Kay ang animation is may big opportunity sila to express their emotions kag ila art in general. You should start first with the asset creation or man na sinatawag nga sa pipeline sa animation or sa workflow is the post-production where the art director or the client gives the notes or of what he wants to see sa finished product. Then after which, if the concepts and the notes or mga guides na complete na, it will proceed to the production proper, which is dara na masugod ang pag-animate sang asset, pag-rig, butang sa mga elements for the logo to move, for the pictures. And the post-production, it is the part of the production workflow nga kung diin ma-edit or i-revise ang mga tinanan, i-revise and then add sa mga filters. Then after which, dahil na ang product which is the finished animation.